Suppose if your computer number lock key is off, you must turn this num lock on. Now you can see that we have activated this num lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. Do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, here you must type in this numeric section 11054. After typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can try this after opening the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint or Excel, etc. So if you are in this MS Word, you must choose the color that you want. For example, today I am showing you how to create a blue vertical ellipse. So I select the blue color, and after that I am going to follow the same procedure. That is, first I turn on the num lock. Now I press and hold this alt key. After that I am going to type here 11054, and after that I release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that a blue color, so a blue vertical ellipse we have created using this method. For more you can subscribe.